Hello. So now we are trying to discuss discrete probability distribution, and for that, I'm just giving an example here. So the example is basically to ask 100 families about how many meals do they eat in the restaurant. So in any discrete probability distribution, the first thing is to identify the random variable. So you can see here that our question is to ask the families about how many meals do they eat in the restaurant. So based upon this question, the families will respond accordingly, and some families may say that x is equal to 0 mean that they don't eat in the restaurant in during the week, and some families say that maybe they eat one of the meal during the week in the restaurant, and some of the family may respond that they eat two meals in the restaurant, and some of the family may say that they eat three, some of the family may say that they eat four meals, and some of the family may say that they eat five or more meals in the restaurant during a week. So these are possible uh, values that a random variable may take with that specific question. So this is basically a uh, kind of um, discrete kind of responses that they can respond on. So the responses, they are here. So the 10 of the families out of 100, they say that they don't eat in the restaurant during a week. X is equal to 0 mean that they don't eat meal in the restaurant during a week. And if we want to get the probability, then it is 10 out of 100, because our total families we are considering here 100, and 40 families out of 100 say that they eat only one meal in the restaurant during a week, and the 30 families out of 100 say that they just eat two meals in the restaurant during a week, and only 10 families say that we eat three meals three meals in a restaurant during a week, and some five families say that out of 100 say that they eat four meals in a restaurant, and similarly some family five families out of 100 say that we eat five or more meals in the restaurant. So this is basically these are the random variable, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 or more are different values that a random variable can take, and these are basically probabilities associated with these random variable. So in order to construct a discrete probability distribution, so we move on and consider all the random variable values on the x-axis, basically 0 1 2 3 4 or 5 or more are our random variable values, and we have to consider these values on the x-axis. And on the vertical axis we will take the probability values, and we know that our probability value are varying from 5 by 100 to 40 by 100. So for the first random variable 0, the probability is 10 out of 100. So 10 out of 100 is this point. And for the second random variable, which is 1, mean that the family who eat on 40 meals in the restaurant, sorry, the 40 families say that they eat only one meat in the restaurant, so the response is 40 over 100. And similarly, those family who eat two meals in the restaurant and the quantity is 30 out of 100, means that 30 families say that they eat only two meals in the restaurant. Similarly, we'll take all other values, and this is basically a discrete probability distribution.